Parrot's training videos for the ANAFI USA. In this video, we'll walk through how to upload maps to the FLYMOTION 6 application without the use of internet. To begin, we need to make sure that our maps are in the correct format.
To start this process, we will need a map. If you're using Pix4D, you can select Download GeoTIFF. Now, let's download QGIS. QGIS is a free open source software available to everyone. Once downloaded, open the program. Now select Data Source Manager, then select Raster. Now select the map or file you would like to convert to a GeoTIFF file. Then select the Add button, and then the Close button. Now if you haven't already done so, open the Settings menu from the Settings wheel on the top of the page. Now select GDAL, Raster Miscellaneous, GDAL to Tiles. On this window we need to make sure that we have the map uploaded as the raster file. We also need to make sure that we are outputting the files to the correct location. You can store these in any place on your computer that you would like. When you are finished, press Run. Now that our files are done, let's open up the place we stored them. We'll select all the files in the folder and compress them. This will get them ready to be uploaded to the FLYMOTION 6 application. When the file is done compressing, let's give it a name so we can recognize it in FLYMOTION 6. Now, power on the Sky Controller USA and use the USB-C port on the back to connect it to your computer. Now that we have the Sky Controller USA physically connected to the computer, we need to allow the software to communicate. To do this, we need to press and hold the reset button on the back of the controller, then press and hold the return to home button on the front of the controller. Release the reset button on the back of the controller, but still hold on to the return to home button. Once the LED at the top of the screen is green, we can release the return to home button. Now we will see the Sky Controller USA pop up on the computer as a readable device. To place the new map on the Sky Controller USA, let's copy the file we created. Now let's navigate to Galaxy Tablet A. This will be the Sky Controller USA. Maneuver to FLYMOTION 6, Custom Maps, and you can paste your file in here. Once the copying is done, you can unplug your Sky Controller USA. Now we can go to the Load Map section of FLYMOTION 6. In the bottom right hand corner we can press the Upload button, then select our new map to be uploaded. Here we can see a graphical layout of our new map over the Google Earth map, since this device is connected to the internet. If the device was not connected to the internet, we would simply see our map laid out over a white space. Once we are done, we can prepare the map. This will ensure the map will be saved offline and ready for use. Congratulations, you have uploaded a map to your FLYMOTION 6 application on the Sky Controller USA.
Thank you for tuning in to Parrot's training videos for the ANAFI USA.